Have you ever ruined something right when it was going well? A relationship, an opportunity, a goal. You wanted success, but somehow you became the reason it failed. That is not bad luck. That is not fate. That is self-sabotage. And once you understand it, you will start seeing why so many people stay stuck, even when the door was open. Robert Greene teaches that many people are not destroyed by enemies. They are destroyed by themselves, by unconscious fears, old emotional wounds, patterns they never questioned. Because deep down, success creates pressure. Love creates vulnerability. Change creates uncertainty. And for many people, pain feels more familiar than growth. So they destroy the very thing they claim to want. Why do people self-sabotage? Self-sabotage usually looks irrational, but underneath, it often makes emotional sense. Someone procrastinates before an important deadline, not because they are lazy, but because failure feels terrifying, so delay becomes protection. Someone cheats in a healthy relationship, not because they wanted to lose it, but because intimacy exposed their insecurities. Someone wastes money, right when finances improve, because responsibility feels heavy and chaos feels familiar. Many people choose known pain over unknown progress. Most self-sabotage begins with identity. If someone secretly believes, "I am not worthy," "I always fail," "good things never last," then success creates inner conflict. Because reality starts challenging the story they carry, and instead of upgrading the story, they often destroy the reality. This is why some people rise, then suddenly collapse. They were fighting themselves the entire time. Self-sabotage is rarely dramatic. Usually, it is subtle. Ignoring opportunities, avoiding difficult conversations, quitting too early, starting strong, then disappearing, choosing distractions over discipline, staying loyal to habits that are betraying your future. Small repeated acts create large ruined outcomes. The painful part of self-sabotage is that people blame everything except the cause. They blame timing. They blame others. They blame luck. But the pattern repeats. In every city, every job, every relationship, different stage, same behavior, and until the inner cause is faced, the outer results remain the same. So, how to break it? First, study your patterns. Where do you always fall apart? At the beginning, near success, when commitment appears. Patterns reveal truth. Second, watch your excuses. Excuses are often fear in elegant language. I'm too busy. It's not the right time. I'll start next month. Maybe. Or maybe fear is speaking. Third, build tolerance for discomfort. Growth feels awkward. Success feels demanding. Love feels risky. Do not mistake discomfort for danger. Fourth, change identity. Stop saying, "I am lazy," "I lack discipline," "I always mess things up." Instead say, "I am learning consistency. I am becoming reliable. I finish what I start." Identity directs behavior. You do not need to become perfect overnight. You only need awareness. Because the moment you catch self-sabotage in real time, it weakens. The moment you choose discipline over impulse, you change direction. The moment you stop betraying yourself, life starts trusting you again. And over time, small acts of self-respect create a powerful person. So remember this. Most people are waiting for external success while internally destroying it. They want better lives, without better patterns. But the strongest people do something rare. They become allies to themselves. They stop feeding what harms them. They start building what frees them. And once that happens, progress becomes natural. If you found this valuable, take a second to like the video. It helps the channel more than you think. And subscribe, because next, we break down Law 9, the Law of Repression. Why buried emotions, unspoken pain, and denied desires always return in unexpected ways. And once you understand that, you'll never ignore the hidden mind again.